Brothers, what do you think this is for? It's noodles. What kind of noodles is this? Meat dumplings? One more. Two more, it's pretty big. What kind of meat is this? Pork. I haven't eaten it. How much is the egg? 1.5 plus to a bowl plus one. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. It's a big knife. This can sit outside, can also sit in this car, I can sit in this dining car, I'll sit outside. This is a three-wheeled car. He's selling cold noodles again. He's selling cold noodles, brothers. Look, do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's worth it? It's not worth it. I have a bowl for each of you. You see, brothers, he's got chili oil and braised. This is the green pepper braised. Half of the meat is really a lot of this. 13. The pork looks very thin. I thought it was that kind of fat meat. It's all that kind of meat. It's all lean meat. It does look good. Have a taste. Hey, it's pretty spicy. It's not as spicy as I thought. His green pepper is also spicy pepper. A good celery this side of there. Taste is quite tight. The meat is very thin. Well, it's been braised and it's all stringy. It's true that this noodle is a little bit of a feature and I've never had it before. Look at this noodle. It's got a little bit of meat in it. This pepper is really spicy and it's really a lot of meat and a tea bag. Well, it's spicy. It's spicy. It's spicy, it's salty. It's all braised. I'm usually braised. How much is the roast corn? 5 yuan. Give me a burnt one. 5 points of line to give me a lake. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. It's too expensive. It's like $3. It's almost baked and it's burnt and it's burnt and it's burnt. All right, guys, let's call it a day. Thank you for your work.